special guest. It's a special day today. So I'm meeting my friend from my country, from Madagascar. They are all here in Philippines with me. So meet my friend Bella and Andre. So guys, I'm going to share with you guys what are the most common questions that we Malagasy receive when people from here knows that we are not Filipino, we are from Madagascar. So they are going to help me to answer that questions. Andre, can you give 3 most common questions that people used to ask you? Like if they know that you are not Filipino, something like that.
Okay, number 1 question would be,
Yeah.
where do you come from?
Where do you come from? Yeah.
And then I say Madagascar. Then they'll ask me, where is that? Then I'll have to explain like in details where it is.
Yeah.
And then they'll just say, so number 3 would be, how did you get here?
Yeah.
That's the 3rd question, but it's always very few Filipinos know where Madagascar is. That you can travel by plane.
Yeah.
See, those are the only things. Where you come from, where is Madagascar, and how did you come here?
Yeah, it's exactly that's what they used to ask me as well. Like, how did you come here? So I remember one taxi driver told me like, did I swim from Madagascar to come here in the Philippines? Because he thought that Madagascar is like a jungle, so no airplane, nothing. So
Compared to
like,
the
yeah, in the movie. So he was imagining me swimming in the Philippines from Madagascar to here in the Philippines. Airplane, right? There's airplane, and Madagascar has an airport as well. And the 3rd question.
That's
that's the common.
that I get every day.
Yeah, mostly every day. So now it's Bella's turn. Hi, Bella. Hi. So what are the most common questions that people use to ask you when they know that you are not Filipina? So say something.
It's pretty much like what Andre said. They would always ask, where's Madagascar?
Yeah.
And because the only thing they know, again, it's the movie, right?
Yeah, the movie, the
And they also think like it's just full of animals and jungle. So there's that. And they also ask like, am I pure Malagasy or half? Because they think all Africans are black. The hair is not like this.
Yeah.
So I told them like, yeah, I'm pure Malagasy. And then they also think I look Filipina, so they still doubt. They always think like, maybe your father or someone is, Filipino, but no, I'm pure. So those are like the questions they ask, and also they ask like, where's Madagascar? Because they think Africa is one whole country. Actually, they think Africa is a country. It's actually a continent. So there's that. So they ask, where's Madagascar? And I tell them. And also one last thing is they ask like, how come when you speak with the other Africans, you guys speak in English? Why don't you speak in your language?
Yeah, that's the point.
But the thing is, again, Africa is a continent, so we have different countries, so we have different languages, which has different dialects. So that's why we speak in English, because that's the international.
English or French, depends on the
depending on
country.
where you come from. Or Portuguese, because some, like Angola or Mozambique, they speak. I think we're mostly colonized by France, English, Dutch, and the Spaniards, or I'm not sure.
So depends on that one also, if we can speak English or French between us, because we don't have the same language. Because we are different countries, but just one continent. Just like Asian, Malaysian, but they are different countries, but just one Asian continent. So I guess you know more about Madagascar.
Yeah. come visit us in Madagascar.
Yes. And do you have something to share, Faldella, like about your activity, something?
I am a DJ, so DJ FALBELLA. So look for FALBELLA on Facebook. And that's for when I play side trance, house, Afro house. My other alter ego is Bella Rad, which is for my song, when I play songs from back home, Iragas, and also Afro gas, Afro beats, dance hall.
You have your own entertainment?
I have my own entertainment business, which is B.Fety. So I produce events events. So like last year before the lockdown, I brought here a DJ, female DJ from Netherlands, DJ Nifra.
I remember that well.
Yeah. So that's how I ended and started the COVID.
Yeah. So guys, if you, in case you need some like a DJs or for entertainment, some services, just call her. I'm going to put here below her Facebook page and Instagram and also the contact. And you can message me as well if you have any further questions, and we will assist you. Thank you, Bella. Thank you. My friend Andre here. He is also a professional photographer. He has something to share with you as well.
Right, so photography, you go to Wasteland Art, and you can find it in Twitter, Instagram, and then for my personal page, my artist page, you can find it on this Twitter and Twitter and Instagram, and you can find me on Spotify, Apple,
Oh yeah,
YouTube.
yes guys, he's also a singer, and so yeah, I'm going to share here below as well Facebook page about his photography and also the songs, the links where you can see or buy his songs. He's really good on photography, guys. So if you have any events as well, like you want to take pictures for baptismal, wedding, or any kind of celebration, you can just click on check on his Facebook, and the link below, and you can ask him directly about the details. Thank you guys, thank you so much, and nice to see you today.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Make sure you click on the bell button.
Yes, thank you guys, and see you again. Bye-bye.
To my world, a place for all you psychedelic boys and you psychedelic girls. Today there is no tomorrow. Forget the pain and any sorrow. Give yourself to the music. Surrender to the sound. This is where you belong. Welcome to my world.
Monday, mafana pilipili na fangaro menaka tsy maintsy misaka oe sakasaka tsy maintsy misaka oe sakasaka mai allo tseky tava eo zako ça va mélanger mai 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지